Hi, my name is Celeste Young, and this is my speech using presentation aids. My speech is about removing a child from their home. The goal of a social worker is not to remove a child from their home, but instead to ensure that the child is in a happy, healthy, and safe home environment. Possible reasons for a social worker to need to remove a child from their home includes if the parent is physically, emotionally, or sexually abusing the child, or if the parent is neglecting the child. A social worker, again, their goal is not to remove a child, but if they believe that the parent poses an immediate threat or imminent threat to the child, then they will take the action to remove the child from that home. Other possible reasons that a social worker may feel the need that a child should be removed from their home include if the parents either sell or take illegal substances, or if the parents just cannot provide adequate care, such as the parents are in a mental institution or prison, or just any other reason that they could not provide adequate care for the child. The process of removing a child from their home is actually pretty lengthy and involves multiple other parties than just the social worker. First, the social worker will conduct an investigation, and they will only move forward with trying to move the child from their home if there are substantiated findings. Next, the social worker goes to court, and that is called an adjudicatory hearing, and they can only remove a child from their home if they do have a court order, so there is another third party involved. After a child is removed from their home, they could either go stay with relatives or they might go into foster care. But the goal is to keep the child as close to normal as possible in their situation. They still go to school and receive medical care, and they try to keep a normal routine. The parents are allowed visitations if the court decides that the parent is not an immediate threat, and that is usually set up through the court to schedule visitations. The goal is not to remove a child, and if a child is removed, the goal of a social worker is to work with the parents to solve the problem and reunite the child into their original home. Thank you.